Trudie, quiz! Hi guys! Today I'm going to be opening up some Kinder Surprise eggs. And I'm going to open up this here and see if there's anything inside. We have another Kinder Egg Surprise, another one, and the last one. So we have 6 in total. So I'm just going to set these up here. And let's go ahead and start opening these. Well, that one was super easy to open. Popped right out. Let's see what we get here. I see something in here. And already I can tell it looks pretty cute. We got ourselves a little penguin. So we can add this to our little collection of Kinder Egg toys that we have already. And there's a little penguin family right there. Super cute. Let's put him right in there. I really like these ones, so I hope we get some more of those. And we'll pop open this one and see what we get. Well, it's not rattling in there, so let's see. Oh, it looks like we got the little walrus guy. And I think we may already have him, but that's okay. We can add to our collection. Maybe it'll be one of the custom ones that I can make. Oh, so there we go. There's all the little ones that you can get. Oh, there's a little wolf and a little polar bear. So cute. And I think we have this guy too. So I'm going to have to definitely bring them out in the video. But let's set these little guys up here. And this is pretty cute. They come with like their own little backdrop. So I'll definitely keep those. And let's keep going and see if maybe we'll get more to add to our collection. And, oh, what is this? This looks like some type of flower. Oh, it looks like a really cool bracelet. Some flowers on there. So cool. So there's the end of the bracelet. And let's see, how does this go together? So one is this piece here, it looks like. So it goes right over the band there, and then you just pop that on there. Supposedly. Is it gonna pop in there? Oh, there we go. Oh, that is super cool. Now, if it doesn't fit your wrist, I don't think it's gonna fit on mine. But you can definitely maybe even just hang that from somewhere. So cute. All right, let's keep going. We've got another one over here, and this is the only white one, and the other ones have pink on the top. So let's see what this one might be. And pop it open. Oh wow, look at a lot of little pieces in there. Oh, so cool. You know what? I think I might know what this is. And it looks like, oh, it's a really cool little ball. So we get to put all those pieces together. Let's see here. So it looks like kind of just clip into one of, oops, each other here. Let's see if I can actually put this together properly. So it looks like that one goes there, the green one goes there. Okay, so I got this cool ball put together, and it was actually pretty easy once you got the hang of it. And yeah, I've never gotten anything like this out of a Kinder Egg before. You can't really bounce it, but it just looks cool. You know what? I think my cat might like this. So let's just put that aside. And I did bring out some of the little baby animals that we already have. So this one we just got. So I'm going to use this and maybe make it into a duplicate. Maybe customize it with some paint. And then we have this little guy here too. So we'll add him up here. Oops. He's okay. There we go. And then I got a couple of these also, but this is a different series. So this might be like the older animals, so the polar bear and then the walrus. So we'll set them there. So hopefully, maybe we'll get another little baby animal in here. There's only one way to find out. So let's open it up. I'd really like to get that little polar bear. It is pretty cute. Let's see. Oh, looks like we got something different here. What the heck is this? Oh, look at that. It's a little penguin sticker. And it looks like it's a little stamp on the outside. And you can make it into a ring. So let me get my scissors. I cut this open here. Okay, so there's the little stamp pad. And then we put the sticker right on the front. Oh, look at all the different ones that you can collect. So it's all the little characters that you can get. So we got this guy. We got our little penguin guy. How cute is that? So let me go ahead and put the sticker on here. And then we'll stamp it on this little circle here. And there we go. Pop this off here and let's find out, what is it? Oh, it's a little penguin foot. See that there? So all these different animals must have a stamp, and according to what type of animal it is, that's what the stamp will be. It'll be the little footprint. Well, that is pretty sweet. So not a bad little haul today for Kinder Egg surprises. Let me know if you guys have gotten any of these too. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.